Hello everyone. So the first thing which we do in website development is basically we develop the whole website on our local computer. So we do not work online for making a website until it is a really huge project and a lot of people need to work on it. So if you are just a single person or maybe a team, so you can have all your computers connected and you can work on that. I believe you are working as a single person and you are going to work on a single computer. So first thing which you will need is XAMPP. I mean, you can have any AMP, but XAMPP is a cross-platform one, so it supports all the platforms, and that's why I'm introducing this one. So if you use Windows, you can use Windows. If you use Linux, you can have Linux and OS X as well. So you just want to click on download the version whichever you are using, and it'll just pop up with the download. So I'm gonna download it on desktop. Okay, so let's just download this, and this will allow you to make your website on your local computer, and then we will move that website to a live domain name and a hosting space. So we will first of all develop the website on a local computer. After development of the website, after it is perfect, it is ready to go and to test, basically before launch. If it is ready to test, then we will make a backup of that website and we will migrate the whole website on a live server. So just download this up, and you will also need one more thing until it is downloading. Let's just check that. So you will also need the WordPress uh, source codes, so the WordPress scripts. So you just need to go to wordpress.org. Okay, I don't know why it's not connecting. So yeah, so why I'm choosing WordPress is because, see, I have used almost all the CMS, all the content management systems, and even HTML and CSS as well. But I would say that WordPress is one of those CMS which are free as well as which are priceless. It is written over here. You can just see that. So WordPress is free as well as priceless. Why this thing is written? Is definitely it is free, so you can make your whole website. You can set up $1 million business and this will be for free. All the source code is gonna be free. You're not gonna do any coding and all. So if you're a beginner, this will be perfect for you. If you are intermediate or an advanced player as well, you might wanna go with WordPress. Security is our biggest concern, and WordPress gets its updates on time. So security is not a really big concern with WordPress. You'll get all the security patches and updates on time. You just need to update everything. So and you can even just automate that as well if you want. And I believe that a huge amount of websites on this world are on WordPress. So you wanna go to WordPress, you wanna download WordPress, and you just go ahead and download this zip file. So it's just 8 MBs, so you can just download it. Desktop, download, and you can close your browser if you want. So we have two downloads here. So let me pause this download, so because we need this one first. So after this will be downloaded, we will install this XM, and then after we will be running XM, then what you will do is you will go to localhost localhost, and then a colon. Okay, or you can even go to localhost and then slash will be perfect in case of XAMPP, I would say. So you can just use, and yeah, so localhost slash and then your website name or any directory. Basically I like to have them as my website name. So I would be developing this site for Hare Krishna, HARAKRISHNA investment solutions.in. So I'll be making the site for Hare Krishna investment solutions.in. This is a domain name which I own, and I'll be developing the whole site on this platform and then on my local computer, and then we will be moving that thing online. So if you just wanna learn how to make websites and don't want to incur any cost on web hosting and domain name, you can follow up this course and you can just skip that uh, migration video, which is gonna be almost in the last section. So that's not too much important. If you wanna just learn, you can just learn. So I would say this WordPress or resume this. Okay. So we have got the download complete, and here is the XAMPP which we have just downloaded. You need to double click. Okay, you need to install this. Let me just close this browser as well. So this is from Bitnami, and it is asking you for, yeah, free antivirus. It's just saying that your antivirus is running. This is also downloaded, and it is asking to disable that. And basically there is no need to disable that. I have installed XAMPP thousands of times, and it doesn't cause any problem with my antivirus. So in case I'm using Quick Heal antivirus, Quick Heal Total Security. So if you are using any other, I would prefer just disable it until you install your XM. So just disable it because it might cause some problems. So you want to click on next. I mean, it's basic. It's just basic installation. You just want to click next, and that's all. You can just close this window, and this is going to install your XAMPP. Now second thing, until it is installing, we have just downloaded this WordPress as well. To open this is a zip file. This depends upon your system. So if you are not able to open this file, you will need some program, some archive reader. So I'm using 7-zip, which is an open source free program. I mean, you can just go to Google and just search 7-zip and download this program as well. So this will allow you to open the files. So there's a folder, you need to drag it out on desktop. Just drag it out, and until it is also finishing, it is also going on. Okay. So this has completed. You can just close this up. Okay, I believe it is copying here. Yeah. So you can just close this up, and if you want, you can even delete this up. Now you don't need this file. You have this folder. Open this folder, and there will be one bunch of files. So there are a lot of files in this, and what we want to do is we want these all files. So what you want to do is you want to rename this folder, just rename to any website name. So if you want, you can even write site. So your website address will be localhost/site. In my case, I want it to be Hare Krishna meant solutions.in. Basically this seems to be too much big, so let me just write it as Hare. This is gonna be perfect. It doesn't really matters whatever name you choose. You can have it anything. It's just a recognizable name. It should be like that. So XAMPP is just gonna install this. Has almost completed. I believe it's 60%. If you want, you can even use XAMPP, which is for only for Windows, and there are many others as well. So XAMPP is a cross-platform. That is why I'm showing you this, so that Mac users and Linux users don't have any problem while covering this. And basically, I'm also using Windows 8 right here. You can see 8.1. So I really don't like Windows 10 and other uh, future versions. Okay, so it is saying Apache HTTP stopped. Really doesn't matter. We will fix it if anything needs to be there. So just let it be completed. So it's just going to be there, and actually I'm gonna delete this up. Okay. Okay, so it is working, so I will not be able to delete it. So I'll even delete these uh, two files. So you really don't need them once you just install the XAMPP and you get the files. If you want, you can just save them anywhere else, so that just your desktop is not that much messy, I would say. It's just the last step, and I'm still waiting. Yeah, so here we go. It's just cleaning up, and it's not gonna take now more than 10 seconds. Just go ahead. Okay. Okay, so that's all. And yeah, so I was just saying it'll just ask you to click on finish. You just click on finish, and now it is asking you for language. Yeah, wow. So you can just choose your language. I will just go with English. Just click on save, and this will open your Bitnami control panel. So this is the control panel, and that's all. I'll see you in the next video where we'll configure everything. Thank you for watching.